Even with all of the variability in weather in Oklahoma, February this year has raised the weather variability bar several notches. Mangum hit 99 degrees on the 11th, and then 3 days later on the 14th was treated to snow. We've had 2 widespread rain events this month. The second of these 2 passed across the state on Sunday and Monday of this week. 2 days later on Wednesday, the weather community was focused on high fire danger. Rains on Sunday and Monday dumped some high amounts in the green areas. El Reno had 2 7/5 inches of rain. The blue areas from central to eastern Oklahoma typically received a ½ inch or more of rain. That rain combined with a Valentine rainy spell to push up rain totals for the 10 days from February 12th to the 22nd. Many Mesonet sites recorded 2 to 3 inches. Yellow areas received more than 4 inches. Those are great rainfall amounts for February. The return of warm, windy days with low humidity had folks jumping from rain boots to fire boots. Wednesday was a precursor to Thursday's extreme fire weather. Wednesday at 4 p.m., the relative humidities had bottomed out in the red areas, with some locations below 10%. Firefighters worry when relative humidities go below 30%. Fortunately, Wednesday, the wind gusts at 4 in the afternoon were only above 20 miles per hour at a single Mesonet site, Canton in the Panhandle. Many Mesonet sites had wind gusts below 10 miles per hour on Wednesday. Driving the low humidities on Wednesday were above average air temperatures. Coolest locations Wednesday afternoon were Medford, Lahoma, Breckenridge, Kingfisher, and Mount Herman at 75 degrees. The warmest locations reaching 86 were Butler and Bessie near Elk City. The National Weather Service issued a red flag warning for Thursday, the bright pink areas. The tan areas were in a fire weather watch Thursday. Warm temperatures continued to push wheat first hollow stem forward. By Wednesday, first hollow stem was highly likely across most of Oklahoma for varieties in the early first hollow stem group. Only the Panhandle still had blue areas, indicating wheat not yet mature enough to be checked. For middle first hollow stem varieties, most of the state was in a high probability range for first hollow stem. The green line was more prominent on our map for late first hollow stem varieties on Wednesday, with about a 50-50 split between wheat not ready to be checked and ready to be checked. The probability of wheat having reached first hollow stem is high in red areas. 7 counties had active burn bans on Wednesday. Make sure you keep up to date on changes in your county. Our volunteer firemen and women donate their time and energy to train and fight fires. We sure are thankful to all these volunteers who work so hard and put themselves at risk to protect Oklahoma's communities. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.